Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your mailbox list name in AOL Mail. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up AOL Mail and select the settings gear button up at the top right, and then go down and select more settings. On the left side, select mailboxes. Go ahead and select your mailbox list from the name or whatever the selection is here. You can change the description right here, or you can also change the reply to address, and then you just would scroll down this page and select save to save it, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.